My name is Paul Ford. I'm the Director of Finance at Rev1, who manufactures and markets Airheads and Mentos products. We, like many fast-moving consumer product goods companies, rely heavily on syndicated data from either IRI or Nielsen or some other competitor. It's big data, and how you make sense of that data and analyze it is a pretty tall task. We implemented T-Pro a couple of years ago, and since we've done that, we've been able to get to a more granular analysis of the business. The thing that separated T-Pro for us that was most helpful in improving our overall promotional profitability is their optimization feature. So the optimization feature has two primary tenets to it. The first is you can optimize individual events. So actually you can input a few parameters, and T-Pro will actually spit back to you, you should run this type of event at this price point, and then give you the financial returns associated with that. So there's lots of flexibility, and we let T-Pro do all the work. We're simply very happy with T-Pro as a tool. I think the usability of this tool stands above what I've seen in the industry, so that we can continue to make our products and categories more successful for our retail partners and get our products in front of consumers, more and more every day, so that they can be delighted.
Well, great. Well, thanks, Paul. And I got to start this off by using the word wow. I'll probably use it a couple times because I get a little exuberant when I walk through the grocery aisles. But listening to Brent and understanding some of the things that Columbus has done over the past few years, and since I've been in the startup world, it's incredible. So I do have to use the word wow. So let's go ahead. My name is Terry Ziegler. I'm the CEO and co-founder of T-Pro Solutions. But let's go ahead and take a walk down the aisles of a grocery store. I love going into a grocery store because I want to know what new products are out, what's on display, what's on sale. But really important to me is how the consumer, how all of you react when you walk through the aisles and see all of these things happening. My wife hates it. She has no idea what I'm coming back with. But at the end of the day, this has been in my blood for over 30 years. But to Paul Ford and the members of the thousands of consumer goods companies around the world, walking through these very same aisles reveals a problem. There's lost time, there's lost opportunity, and there's lost revenue. Those losses come in the areas of what we call trade marketing or trade promotions. And it equates to about a little over 20% on average of the revenue of our consumer goods manufacturers to promote right there in the stores, which is approaching $200 billion annually. So what does trade promotion mean to you and I? It's the yellow tags that's on the shelves, it's the displays that are in the aisles, it's the ads that are printed in the circulars when you walk into the store. But to manufacturers, small and large, the problems and the challenges to manage this number 2 line item on a P&L are around data. So data's in multiple locations, inside and outside the organization. The processes of compiling all this are manual and very error-prone, and all of this leads to uninformed planning capabilities. So let me introduce T-Pro Optimum. T-Pro Optimum is our best-in-class, cloud-based trade promotion optimization solution that focuses on improving the processes and accuracy while providing real-time, quantifiable return on investment and predictive planning capabilities to our customers. We integrate those key data elements into a user-friendly interface that provides a fast-to-value planning and analytical tool that can be used throughout the organization. So right now we're working with companies like Rev1 and Sargento and Reynolds and Kellogg's, to name a few, and we just added one about 240 minutes ago called Land O'Lakes. Just a little bit ago we took them on as a client. What's really kind of cool is we're helping them optimize all these promotions that I've been talking about, and what's running through our analytical models every day is about $2.5 billion in trade spending. But our customers are realizing a 12 times return on their promotion or their solution investment with us. So we empower our manufacturers, our consumer goods partners, to be more informed in their planning process. Many times we'll see a manufacturer take the, hey, we did it last year, why not do it this year approach, that path of least resistance. One of our clients, Ainsworth, realized over $1 million in incremental profit just in the first year with us by using our what-if planning scenario to build a library of optimized events that focus on profit, volume, and revenue objectives. So trying to improve trade promotion. This isn't anything new. People have been trying to do it for years. But we built T-Pro on a foundation of expertise. These three handsome gentlemen you see up here, this founding team, it equates for a little over 100 years of domain experience in consumer packaged goods. In 2016, we solidified our foundation by bringing marketing and sales operations in-house to create and concentrate a more brand development and outreach. In addition, we created a physical presence by graduating from Innovate New Albany's startup incubator to a more dedicated space here in Columbus. So, consumer goods manufacturers have an overwhelming and a large amount of data that they're trying to compile every day. Doing that leads to poor decision making, lost opportunity, and just really an overall ineffectiveness of this number 2 line item on our trade spend. We bring those data elements together in an ease of use fashion so that the users can manipulate and control the data in a more productive and profitable manner. So I want to thank you for your time today, but I want to also end with a wow. And the wow is for Alicia and the rest of the Rev1 team for putting an incredible event like this together. So they are the ones that deserve the applause. Thank you and have a great day.